thought, new words, new strength, and endless possibilities. So to enlighten us and to brighten our morning, here comes Ishmi to share today's thought with us.
Good morning, everyone. Thought for today is mental health is just as important as physical health when it comes to overall wellness, as mental health is a journey of self-discovery and growth. Thank you. Thank you, Shri, for that insightful thought. Let's keep it in our hearts as we proceed.
Now let's call our newsreaders Adil, Jaggu, and Tanveer who are ready to update us with the latest happenings around the world.
But Kyansh, do you know why do we read news in all the assemblies?
Saira, yes, its purpose is to keep us informed so that we can know about important events and make informed decisions about our lives. Someone who regularly keeps up with the news will widen their outlook and enrich their knowledge.
Yes, you are right. So let's do today's headlines. Today's national news: Maharashtra Assembly elections. BJP retains 71 sitting MLAs in first list of 99 nominees. Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. In Kashmir, encounter between security forces and terrorists underway LOC in Baramulla. Good morning. Today's international news: hurricane set to hit Cuba amid national blackout. Gaza rescuers say at least 73 killed in Israel strike in territories north. Good morning. Today's sports news: India versus New Zealand first test highlights. Rachin Ravindra star in New Zealand first test wins in India for 36 years. And now weather forecast: maximum 30 degrees Celsius and minimum 24 degrees Celsius. It will be mostly sunny today. Thank you.
With that insightful news update, let's move on to the next part of our assembly. Remember, staying informed is crucial for our growth and awareness.
Today, we are going to talk about something very important: mental health. Does anyone know what mental health means? Mental health is about how we feel inside our minds and our hearts. It's just like taking care of our body by eating healthy food and exercising. We also need to take care of our feelings and thoughts. Now I may invite Khushi, Ahmad and Ghazni to expand our knowledge horizons regarding mental health awareness.
Our topic today is mental health awareness. Let's hear what everyone thinks. Mental health awareness is the act of learning and spreading accurate information with the goal of reducing stigma. And awareness of mental health can allow us to preserve our well-being, address potential problems, notice warning signs as they emerge, and help others to do the same.
Yes, Sangat, you are right. As defined by the World Health Organization, WHO, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being and not merely the absence of diseases.
Hold on, friends. Mental health problems can have a wide impact on all areas of life. Depression is now one of the leading causes of disability worldwide. Around 20% of the world's children and adolescents suffer from mental health problems.
I see both sides. Stigma associated with psychiatric illness is a major barrier to treatment. The students can be taught barriers to remove the stigma among themselves and the general population. During training, educational interventions targeted towards them may be highly effective.
When we talk about mental health, we usually think about knowing how to solve these issues. But major misconceptions about mental illness lead to people feeling ashamed and embarrassed about their condition, leading to refusal to seek help. Thank you.
Prompt identification of the signs and symptoms and early intervention can treat such episodes effectively. Medication, psychotherapy, or a combination of both can be used to treat depression.
Kunansh, what is of concern?
Any noticeable change in behavior, being sad or moody, staying away from others, changes in appetite or sleep pattern, dangers or self-injury behavior.
Navishka, who should I contact if I experience such feeling or notice such changes in a friend?
Guardian, trusted adults, parents, teachers, or a mental health professional.
Priyansh, how to take care of myself or my friends?
Consult a mental health care provider. Follow the prescribed treatment diligently. Regular physical exercise. Maintain a regular timing for meals and sleep. Express your feelings to trusted friends.
Navishka, how should I help a friend who is very sad and feels lonely?
Be patient, supportive, and empathetic. Listen to him or her. Do not minimize or ridicule their suffering. Offer encouragement and hope. Encourage them to seek treatment and help them adhere to the treatment plan.